Laura, sweetie, why are you so sad? What happened?
Dad, I had a bad day. A very bad day.
Oh dear. Tell me, sweetie. I'm here. Talk to me.
Dad, my friend in school, she said I am slow. She said I don't know English. I felt hurt. I felt small.
Oh, Laura. Come here. Sit close. I'm so sorry you heard that.
And tomorrow, I have a class test. A test on simple past tense. I don't understand anything. I'm scared.
Sweetie, you don't have to be scared. We will learn together. Slowly, gently, step by step.
Dad, do you think I can do it?
Yes, sweetie, I believe in you more than you believe in yourself. Listen, sweetie, simple past tense is easy. It is for things in the past, things we did yesterday, things we did before, things that are finished.
Finished?
Yes. Example, I wake up becomes I woke up. I eat becomes I ate. I go becomes I went. I play becomes I played.
Oh, some change, some add ed.
Exactly. You understand.
But Dad, I forget fast.
It's okay. We will repeat again and again. Repetition helps learning. Let's practice. Tell me, what did you do yesterday morning?
I woke up.
Good. Again.
I woke up at 7.
Next.
I brushed my teeth.
Good. Brushed is the past of brush.
I brushed my teeth.
What did you do after that?
I washed my face. I took a bath.
Say it all together.
I woke up at 7. I brushed my teeth. I washed my face. I took a bath.
Beautiful, sweetie. What did you eat for breakfast yesterday?
I ate eggs. I ate bread. I drank milk.
Very good. You used ate and drank correctly.
Thank you, Dad. I feel a little better.
Tell me about school. What did you do?
I went to school. I studied. I read. I wrote. I listened.
Good verbs. Very strong.
But Dad, my friend hurt me.
What did she say?
She said, "You can't learn English." I felt broken.
Sweetie, what she said was wrong. Words can hurt, but love heals. You are learning. You are trying. You are growing.
Dad, can I become good in English?
Yes, you already are better than yesterday. Okay, now tell me, sweetie, what did you do after school?
I came home. I ate lunch. I rested. I studied. I read my book.
Good. Add more details.
I helped Mom. I cleaned my room. I washed my plate.
Nice, sweetie. Very clear. And in the evening?
I went outside. I played a little. I talked to Mom. I drank tea. I studied again.
Good girl. So hardworking.
Dad, I tried to study simple past, but I didn't understand.
It's okay. Now you understand. See how well you did? What did you do at night?
I ate dinner. I talked to you. I relaxed. I watched videos. I brushed my teeth. I slept.
Perfect. Sweetie, you told me what you did yesterday, but tell me, what happened inside you? How did you feel?
Dad, yesterday, I felt tired, but also, I felt scared.
Scared? Why, sweetie?
Dad, in class, my teacher asked a question in simple past. Everyone raised their hand. Everyone looked confident. But me, I didn't understand. I didn't know the answer. I felt small.
Oh, sweetie, it's okay. It happens. Learning is slow. Learning takes time.
Then the teacher said, "Laura, try." I tried, Dad. I really tried. But my voice shook. I said the wrong sentence. I said, I go, not I went. And some children laughed. They whispered. They smiled at me. My heart broke.
Sweetie, I am so sorry. That must hurt so much.
Yes, Dad. I wanted to cry. I wanted to hide. I wanted to disappear.
But sweetie, you didn't disappear. You stayed. You tried. That is brave. Braver than any perfect answer.
Dad, the teacher looked disappointed. She said, You must study more. Her voice felt heavy. I felt like a failure.
No, sweetie. Listen to me. You are not a failure. You are a learner. Everyone learns. Everyone starts small. Even your teacher started small.
Really, Dad?
Yes. No one knows everything. Everyone makes mistakes. Mistakes are teachers too.
But Dad, I cannot learn fast. I forget things. I feel slow.
Sweetie, slow is okay. Slow learning is deep learning. Slow learning is strong learning. Slow learning stays forever.
Dad, do you think I can do well in the test tomorrow?
Sweetie, I know you can. Look at you. You are trying. You are studying. You are practicing. That is success already.
Dad, thank you for saying these things. Your words make me feel warm. Your words make me feel safe.
That is my job, sweetie, to lift you up, to hold your heart, to help you shine.
I want to shine, Dad, not for others, but for me.
And you will. You shine already. You just don't see it yet.
Dad, can we practice more? I want to feel confident.
Of course, sweetie. Let's move to the next part. Let's learn negatives. Let's make your past tense stronger. Now we will learn negative sentences in simple past. Very easy, very helpful for your test tomorrow.
Yes, Dad. I am ready now. I want to try.
Good girl. Let's begin. Now negatives. Use didn't plus base verb.
Okay.
Examples. I didn't cry. I didn't shout. I didn't run.
My turn. I didn't sleep early. I didn't finish homework. I didn't talk to my friend.
Very good, sweetie. WH questions in simple past. What did you eat for lunch?
I ate rice.
When did you study?
I studied in the evening.
Where did you go after school?
I went home.
Who helped you yesterday?
You helped me, Dad.
Why did you feel sad today?
Because my friend teased me.
Why do you feel better now?
Because you teach me. Dad, do you think I can pass the test tomorrow?
Yes, Lara, of course. You can. You understand the past tense. You practiced well. You speak clearly now.
I feel scared, but I also feel ready.
That is courage. Courage is feeling scared, but trying anyway.
Thank you, Dad. You make me feel strong.
You are strong. Let's do test practice, sweetie. I ask, and you answer. What did you do in the morning?
I woke up, I brushed my teeth, I took a bath.
Good. What did you do in school?
I studied, I read, I wrote.
Good. What did you do at night?
I ate dinner, I relaxed, I slept.
Perfect, sweetie. Now say a small paragraph. Your voice, your words.
Yesterday, I woke up at 7. I brushed my teeth, I took a bath, I ate breakfast. I went to school, I studied, I read, I wrote. I came home, I ate lunch, I rested, I studied again. I ate dinner, I relaxed, I slept.
Beautiful. You are ready.
Dad, I feel better now. I feel strong. I feel ready for my test.
And you are ready. You learned so much. You didn't give up.
Thank you, Dad, for everything. For your time, for your love.
Sweetie, I will always help you. Always love you. Always believe in you.
Tomorrow, I will do my best.
And that is all that matters. Good job, sweetie. You did amazing today.